everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about how are you feeling today?
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. How are you, Daniel?
I am doing well today.
That is good to hear.
Yes, I feel happy today.
Why do you feel happy?
I had a very nice morning.
Oh, really?
Yes, I woke up early.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
That is a good time.
I think so too.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
That can make a big difference.
Yes, it can.
I also slept well last night.
So you feel good today too?
Yes, but I feel a little tired.
A little tired?
Yes, I had a busy day yesterday.
What did you do yesterday?
I worked all day.
Was it a busy day?
Yes, very busy.
I understand.
Sometimes a busy day makes me tired.
Me too.
What makes you feel tired?
Many things can make me tired.
For example?
Working for many hours can make me tired.
Yes,
Studying for a long time can also make me tired.
that is true.
And sometimes I feel tired when I do not sleep enough.
I agree.
How many hours do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep about 7 or 8 hours.
That sounds good.
How about you?
I usually sleep 7 hours.
Do you feel tired in the morning?
Sometimes.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I drink some water.
Good idea.
Then I eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat bread and eggs.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I usually eat fruit and toast.
Nice.
I also drink tea.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I love tea.
I like tea too.
What kind of tea do you like?
I like green tea.
Green tea is nice.
Yes, it helps me feel relaxed.
That brings us to another feeling.
Relaxed?
Yes! Today we can talk about many simple feelings.
Great idea.
Let's start with an easy question.
Okay.
How do you feel when you wake up?
It depends.
What does "it depends" mean?
It means the answer can be different.
Good explanation.
If I sleep well, I feel fresh.
What does "fresh" mean?
It means I feel rested and ready for the day.
That is a useful word.
Yes.
Can you give an example?
I slept well, so I feel fresh this morning.
Great! What about you, Emma? If I sleep well, I feel happy and fresh.
And if you do not sleep well?
I feel tired.
Very simple.
Yes, very useful.
Let's talk about another feeling.
What feeling?
Excited.
I like that word.
When do you feel excited?
I feel excited when I travel.
Really?
Yes,
Where do you like to travel?
I like to visit new places.
That sounds fun.
I also feel excited when I meet an old friend.
That is a nice feeling.
Yes. What makes you excited?
I feel excited when I have a new plan.
What kind of plan?
For example, a weekend trip
Nice.
or trying a new restaurant.
I like that too.
Food can make people happy.
Definitely.
What food makes you happy?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yes, pizza always makes me happy.
That's easy to remember.
What about you?
I like noodles.
Noodles are great.
They make me feel comfortable.
Comfortable is another useful word.
Yes.
What does comfortable mean?
It means feeling relaxed and okay.
Can you give an example?
I feel comfortable at home.
Very good.
You can also say, this chair is comfortable.
Right.
Now let's talk about being nervous.
Nervous is a very common feeling.
When do you feel nervous?
I feel nervous before a big meeting
Why?
because I want to do well.
I understand.
Do you feel nervous before speaking English?
Sometimes.
Really?
Yes, especially when I speak to new people.
I think many English learners feel that way.
Yes,
But feeling nervous is normal.
that is important.
You do not need perfect English to speak.
Exactly.
You can make small mistakes.
And you can keep talking.
Yes.
Practice can help you feel more confident.
Let's teach that word.
Confident.
Confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself.
For example, I feel confident when I practice English.
Excellent.
Another example is, she is confident when she speaks.
Very good.
What makes you feel confident?
Preparation makes me feel confident.
That is true.
When I prepare, I feel ready.
And when you feel ready, you feel less nervous.
Exactly.
Do you ever feel worried?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you worry about?
I sometimes worry about work.
What do you worry about?
I worry about making mistakes.
I think everyone makes mistakes.
Yes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
That is a great sentence.
Thank you.
Let's repeat it for our listeners.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Very good.
Now let's talk about the word worried.
Okay.
Worried means you feel that something bad may happen.
Can you give an example?
I am worried about my test tomorrow.
Good.
You can also say, I am worried about the weather.
Very useful.
Now, Emma, do you feel worried today?
No, I do not.
Why not?
Today is a calm day.
That sounds nice.
I finished most of my work.
So you feel relaxed now?
Yes, I feel relaxed.
What do you do when you want to relax?
I listen to music.
What kind of music?
I like soft music.
Nice.
Sometimes I read a book.
What kind of books do you like?
I like simple stories.
Do you read every day?
Not every day.
How often do you read?
I read 3 or 4 times a week.
That's good.
What do you do to relax?
I like walking.
Walking is great.
Yes, I walk in the evening.
Do you walk alone?
Usually, yes.
Do you listen to anything?
Sometimes I listen to music.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, I do.
What kind of podcasts do you like?
I like podcasts about learning and travel.
Good choices.
What about you?
I like podcasts about stories.
Stories are fun.
Yes.
Now, I have a question for our listeners.
What is the question?
How are you feeling today?
Good question.
Are you happy?
Are you tired?
Are you excited?
Are you nervous?
Or are you relaxed?
Think about your answer.
You can also write your answer in the comments.
Yes, use a simple sentence.
For example, I feel happy today.
Or, I feel a little tired today.
Great.
Let's talk about the grammar.
Good idea.
We often use I feel when we talk about our feelings.
For example, I feel happy.
You feel tired.
I feel nervous.
You feel excited.
I feel relaxed.
Very easy.
We can also ask, how do you feel?
And the answer can be, I feel good.
Or, I feel tired.
Another common question is, how are you?
That is very common.
Yes.
The answer can be, I am good.
Or, I am fine.
Or, I am doing well.
Great.
There is a small difference.
What is the difference?
How are you is a general question.
And how do you feel often asks about your current feeling.
Exactly.
For example, if someone looks tired, you can ask, how do you feel?
Yes.
And they can say, I feel tired.
Very simple.
Let's talk about good and well.
Okay.
Many beginners hear both words.
I am good.
And I am doing well.
Both can be used in everyday conversation.
Good.
Now, let's talk about another feeling.
Sad?
Yes.
Sometimes people feel sad.
That is normal.
What makes you feel sad?
When I miss a friend, I can feel sad.
I understand.
What about you?
I feel sad when I say goodbye to someone.
Goodbyes can be difficult.
Yes.
What do you do when you feel sad?
I talk to someone I trust.
That's a good idea.
I also go outside.
Fresh air can help.
Yes.
I sometimes call a friend.
Talking can make you feel better.
That is true.
What makes you feel better when you are sad?
Talking with friends helps me.
Good.
I also like watching a funny movie.
A funny movie can make you laugh.
Yes.
Let's talk about happy feelings again.
Okay.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family makes me happy.
That is lovely.
What makes you happy?
Good food, good friends, and a quiet evening.
That sounds wonderful.
What about weekends?
I love weekends.
Why?
Because I have more free time.
What do you do?
I sleep a little longer.
That sounds nice.
Then I have a slow breakfast.
A slow breakfast?
Yes, I do not hurry.
I like that.
Then I clean my room.
Do you enjoy cleaning?
Not really,
Me neither.
but I feel happy when the room is clean.
That is true.
A clean room can make you feel calm.
Yes.
Emma, what makes you angry?
I do not get angry very often,
That's good.
but I feel angry when someone is rude.
I understand.
How about you?
I feel angry when someone is not honest.
Honesty is important,
Yes,
but we should not stay angry for a long time.
I agree.
It is better to calm down.
How do you calm down?
I take a few deep breaths.
That can help.
I also take a short walk.
Nice.